Teenage acne is just a phase. You need to wait it out. You can't get results without expensive products. There's no solution without seeing a dermatologist. These statements aren't true. Today I'm showing you how to clear acne in 30 days using drugstore products. You don't need to spend a fortune for clear skin. Hello, I'm Glow Wonder. Today we're covering acne treatment methods that actually work and are affordable. Acne affects millions worldwide. It results from excessive oil production, clogged pores, and bacteria. Effective treatment doesn't require expensive products, just the right ingredients and consistent application. 30-day acne protocol morning routine. Salicylic acid cleanser, 2%. Penetrates pores, removes oil and dead skin cells. Niacinamide serum, 10%. Reduces oil production by 30% and calms inflammation. Oil-free moisturizer maintains hydration. Dehydrated skin produces more oil. Sunscreen, SPF 30+, prevents dark spots from worsening. Evening routine, double cleansing. Step 1. Oil cleanser removes makeup and sunscreen. Step 2. Salicylic acid cleanser deep cleans pores. Retinol serum, 0.5 to 1%. Speeds up cell turnover. Prevents clogged pores. Start slowly. Moisturizer repairs skin barrier. Prevents retinol irritation. Weekly treatments. Clay mask, 2 times a week. Absorbs excess oil. Tightens pores temporarily. Gentle exfoliation 1 time a week. Removes dead skin. Improves product absorption. Application strategy. Week 1. Basic routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, SPF. Week 2. Add niacinamide serum. Week 3. Introduce retinol every other night. Week 4. Full routine. Always patch test new products for 48 hours. Timeline expectations. Week 1 to 2. Possible purging. Existing clogs may surface. Week 3 to 4. Fewer new breakouts. Week 4 to 6. Improved texture. Fading dark spots. Week 6 to 8. Significant improvement. Supporting habits. Change pillowcases every 2 days. Clean phone screen daily. Keep hair products off face. Get 7 to 9 hours sleep. Manage stress levels. Limit high-sugar foods. Common mistakes. Overwashing. More than twice daily increases oil production. Too many products. Multiple actives cause irritation. Inconsistent use. Sporadic application reduces results. Impatience. Need minimum 4 weeks to see real changes. Advanced tips. Use pH balance cleansers, 5.5 to 6.5. Apply thinnest to thickest products. Adjust routine for climate changes. Maintenance. Once clear, reduce frequency. Retinol, 3 times a week. Salicylic cleanser, every other day. Clay mask, weekly. Ingredient comparison. Drugstore and expensive products often contain identical active ingredients at the same concentrations. You're paying for packaging and marketing, not better results. This protocol offers sustainable acne management using evidence-based, accessible ingredients. Consistency beats expensive products every time. If this helped, hit like and comment which step you'll try first. See you next video.